Problem 8.49. So the question asks us to find the sampling distribution of the first and the last order statistic for a random sample of size n from the beta distribution, where the parameters are given by 3 and 2. So alpha equals to 3, beta equals to 2. Okay, so we just need to write down the PDF of the beta distribution first. So the PDF is given by this with the alpha and beta as the parameters. Okay, and remember that for beta distribution, the random variables can only take a value between 0 and 1. So this is the PDF where the x is between 0 and 1. Now with this, we can just use the formula for the first and the nth last order statistic. So for the first statistic G1, it is n times the PDF at the y1, which is the variable here, and then the integral of the PDF from y1 to positive infinity to the power n minus 1. Okay, now we just need to plug in the value, the f of x. So remember that here we only need to take the integral from y1 to 1 because the PDF is 0 outside of the interval 0, 1. Okay, so for n, so we just need to, as I said, just to plug in here, and also it will go here. Okay, so we can just plug them in and try to, so for this one, you simply just directly plug it in. But for here, you get the this as the integrand, and then take the integral of this guy from y1 to 1, and then take the power n minus 1. So rest is just the calculus. Okay, so just do antiderivatives, figure out the integral, and then multiply everything together. So that is the PDF of the y1. Okay, similarly, you can do the PDF for yn. That is denoted by gn, and it's n times the integral of the PDF from negative infinity to the yn to the power n minus 1, and then multiplied by the PDF at yn. Okay, now here again, just do the same thing. Plug in the formula for the PDF f, and then take integration. That's the result we get. Okay, again, the y1, both y1 and yn are between 0 and 1 because they are order statistic of the beta random variable, which is always between 0 and 1. Okay, so that's the problem 8.49.